Hello Internet, this is Scott with Scott's Garage, and in this short video I will be taking out of the box a double DIN car radio that I purchased that I will be installing in my son's 2005 Ford Focus. Will be a separate video for that, but for now I'm just simply taking this product out of the box. It's a double DIN radio. It's a touchscreen in-dash stereo car receiver, video player, Bluetooth FM radio, MP3, MP5, TF, USB, auxiliary, even steering wheel controls and remote control. The other nice feature about this is that it has a rear view camera that when you're in reverse, you'll see it displayed on the 7-inch display. So let me take it out of the box. Okay, first of all, here are the video cables and the power for the video, and that's the red wire, and right there, that is the LED backup camera. I'll show you this in detail. It can be kind of tricky if you've never installed these before, but once you know how it functions, it makes it a lot easier. Next, we have a couple of wire harnesses and clips. This is our cat Jill that decided to join the video. Looks like here we have the speaker wire harness, and this other one here, a little bit thicker gauge wire. You have power and ground and some other features there, and then the remote. Okay, we'll take it out of the box, and it's a double DIN. That's simply the size of this. And it's 7 inches. 7 inches is measured from this corner to that corner. So you can see the features on the side here. Here's the USB port and auxiliary port and TF port and controls up here. Here's the mic. Infrared is there. This serves as the power button, but also the volume. And one of the nice things I like about this is that it has a very short profile. It's not really deep. It's a little bit easier to install these if you have things in the dash. I'm not sure we're going to find out with the Ford Focus, but I like these. And the back here you can see the video and also the power out. And here's antenna and here's GPS if you want to hook that up directly. And here we have a fuse, and then the wire harnesses will fit in here. Well, that's it for this out-of-the-box review of this unit. I'll have a separate video on the installation of this. It's going into a 2005 Ford Focus. See the link below. For now, this is Scott with Scott's Garage. I'm not a professional. I am a do-it-yourselfer backyard mechanic, and I like working on cars, installing radios, things like that. If you like the video, please hit like. Please also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. Have a great day.